What is up, guys? Kyle at Fortune. Today we're looking at some mobile radio mounting in the Colorado. Oh. So we're actually running two different radios in the truck, and it's funny because they're both mobile, but they're two very different sizes. And really our limitation is, where do we keep them when we're driving around? You know, with a lot of CB radios and stuff, you can just let go of the mic and hang the mic or whatever you need to do. But with these little radios, it's kind of like, where do they go? Usually we just put them in the cup holder, which is fine, but now I'm kind of wanting to run both radios on this at the same time, just so, you know, we're not missing out on one radio or the other. So here's the ones we're running right here. We've got the Cobra 50 WXST. This is a mobile CB radio. You can see it's kind of a bigger one. We're also running one of the Baofeng UV5Rs, and this one's pretty small. You know, we only have two cup holders in the center console, so don't really want to run both these radios right there. Want to find another way to mount them in the truck, and I think we have found a solution to that. You guys probably remember the video I put out on the Proclip phone holder. This is for my Galaxy Note 10, and this thing is freaking solid. Pretty good mounting points too. Didn't have to drill into anything. There's a little bit of adhesive to help hold this on, but it's really just a pressure fit. We can still move the vent and everything. I really like that. I don't want to put these radios somewhere like some of the mounts right here or on the other side. That's going to get in the way of the passenger or my own leg. When I'm driving, my leg kind of is pretty close to that, so definitely don't want to worry about that. So the solution we found was another Proclip model that actually goes right here. Now it's kind of a lot going on right here, but still better than something coming down over the top. Let's get this thing out, get it mounted up, and I'll show you how these attach, just like this one. All right, here is the angled mount that we're going with, 855-634. Here's what it looks like. Throw it up there. Yeah, this one was cool. It didn't require any tools to put in there. Because it's got these two pieces on the plastic, it kind of just bends in and then snaps right into place. So you can see it's pretty much level with my phone holder, rock solid once again. So we've got the 4 mounting points here. This one actually has 6 holes just like this one. This one's running horizontal, so it looks a little bit different. But you have a ton of options of things you can run with this, right? So this is just the mount that's vehicle specific. Now we're gonna get into the part that we put on here, which is cool because you can take this off and you can decide to put your phone over here and something different over here. There's a ton of stuff these guys make, but let me show you the clip we got for this. This is actually a really simple but fantastic idea. This is the button and belt clip holder, large. So hopefully the large is the one we need. You see it's just got this kind of V-notch in it. Really what that is, so if anything has like that round clip on the back, you can just set it down in the V-notch there. Or if it has a belt clip, you can put the belt clip through there. So that's what we're shooting for. Let's take this thing out and get it mounted. All right, so there it is. I mean, it really just doesn't get any easier than that. We'll see how this location is, but like I was saying earlier, we can also move this up to these 4 holes instead. But let's see how these radios fit in there. First, let's try the little Baofeng. I mean, this thing's tiny. You can see it next to the shifter here. I mean, very small radio. So we're just gonna put this clip into the notch here. So that was pretty cool, kind of just clicked in there. And you can see here, we do have a little bit of wiggle in there. It looks like there's just a tiny bit of room back there. So, you know, we might put a little piece of like neoprene back there, you know, a little bit of foam back there might take that wiggle room out. Let's see how the Cobra Cb does up there. So this one's more of like just a pressure clip. It doesn't have a button or a swivel on it, and it looks a little bit tighter. Let's see how this one goes. All right, so it goes on easy enough, a little bit of wiggle. It looks like the clip is just barely too short to go through there, but just like the Baofeng, I don't think that's gonna be an issue because at least we can take it on and off fairly easily. This one's tall and it's not blocking anything. Can still get to the controls here, not hitting the windshield or anything. Awesome. So that was it, guys. This was a super easy install. I'm really starting to like all the Proclip's options, and you know, I think this is gonna be on a go-to for, you know, the rest of the mounting stuff I use in my cars from now on, because it's just so easy, seems so well made. Company that is in the USA, American made products, all that. So I'll keep making videos of these little things we're doing. Some people like these small upgrades, you know, you want to treat yourself and grab you something fun off of Amazon or a company like Proclip. So I'll keep doing these. Guys, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you go down there and hit that subscribe button so you can see all the stuff we're doing to the Colorado. See you next time.